This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Eleanor Kappe. Welcome to this first floor unit condo with a garage in Country Village, a 55+ community. This split floor plan unit offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. This condo offers the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. The soft, inviting neutral paint create a soothing ambience throughout the condo, plus a large screen enclosed lanai with an exit door to a beautiful park-like setting. Some updates: hurricane impact windows, AC 2020, appliances newer, fans with remotes, walk-in tub and hall bath, breakfast bar and den, kitchen cabinets refinished. Also, there is a garage with lots of storage. Within the last couple years all the outside units were painted, newer roofs, streets repaved. Location is key, close to the clubhouse and pool. There is an active social calendar also. In the clubhouse are billiards tables, cards, exercise equipment, and fully equipped kitchen. Near the pool area there is shuffleboard, bocce, picnic grilling area and even a car wash area. Just a few miles to Anna Maria Island, shopping, restaurants, churches, and the hospital. Come take a look. For more information,